I'm Helen Sue of the Helen Sue Law Firm. Many of my clients are victims of automobile accidents. We live in Houston, Texas, which is the fourth largest city in the United States, and more people are moving here every day. So there is no shortage of automobile accidents. If someone is injured in an automobile accident, there are certain things that they should know. The law sees automobile accident cases as consisting of two parts. The first part is the property damage portion of your case. This part of your case deals with the damage to your vehicle. The second part of your case is the bodily injury case. This part of your case deals with the physical injuries that you have suffered as a result of the automobile accident. Once you make an insurance claim with the insurance company of the negligent driver, your claim will be assigned to a claims adjuster. The claims adjuster will first evaluate your claim to determine who is at fault for the accident. This is called a liability determination. If the claims adjuster determines that you are the one at fault, then the insurance company will not pay for any of your damages. However, if the insurance company accepts liability, then they will try to settle both your property damage claim and your bodily injury claim. In your bodily injury claim, and this is true for automobile accidents or slip and falls or any other type of personal injury claim, you are entitled to recover your medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. If someone is involved in an automobile accident, there are certain things that they should do. First and foremost, they need to obtain the contact information of the negligent driver. They also need to obtain that person's insurance information. The next thing that they should do is to obtain photographs of both vehicles. Photographs are important to establish the extent of your property damage as well as the point of impact. Generally speaking, the greater the damage to your vehicle, the more believable your injuries will be. The next thing to do when someone is involved in an automobile accident is to contact the police. This may seem like basic information, but it bears repeating. The police will investigate the accident and make an independent determination as to who is at fault. If the other side is issued a citation or ticket, then this will help in establishing liability. The next thing to do is to seek immediate medical treatment. Medical treatment should be obtained not only for your own health and well-being, but also this will help establish the bodily injury portion of your case. The medical records from your treating physicians will help establish what your injuries are as well as the extent of your injuries. If someone is involved in an automobile accident, there are certain things that they should never do. The first is to never give a recorded statement. That person should first consult with an attorney, whether it's myself or someone else, in order to protect their legal rights. This is because the recorded statement can be used against them later. The second thing not to do, or never to do, is to sign a release. A release waives all of your rights, including any future payments for medical bills. So it is extremely important to not settle your case before you are done with your medical treatment. I'm Helen Sue of the Helen Sue Law Firm.